Hello there. This is part 2 of the Deltic body that I assembled, which I've been working on, and I wanted to put a 00 3-rail chassis in it, but it was such a big problem that I thought I just can't do it. I'm going to leave it and put a Lima chassis in, which it was designed for anyway. So okay, let's get on with the video. Well, this is my Deltic now finished, and it's got its horns on and everything. I may decide to put 2 lights, one each end, so that'll look good in there. But yeah, so I've got it on here, which is set up with some wagons, and because it's such a heavy body, it really runs nice. So here we go, let's have a look. It's got a lot of weight to it, so has no trouble pulling anything along. It's a very powerful engine now. Yeah, very pleased with this. It goes quite fast as well, but obviously they're not racing. So, but I will show you how it goes. As you can see, it's certainly got a lot of power. Yeah. That's it, let's stop that over there. Okay. Well, that was the Deltic finished project now, really, and I'm really pleased with it. It runs very well, so it's all in with all the rest of my Hornby 00 metal bodies and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, so until next time, so maybe you want to give me a like or subscribe if you've liked my channel, and take a look at my other videos. Bye for now.